In this video, you will learn how to remove or replace the background of a car image, how to make the windows transparent to the background, and how to add realistic shadows using Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get started. Here, I'm going to use two images. One is the car with white background, and another one is a nice road background, and I'm going to match the car with this background. So, I'm going to drag and drop the car image to my working file, and adjust the alignments and size of the car image to fit in my artboard. Now, with the pen tool selected, I'm going to make the points around the car to cut out the car from the white background. Once I'm completed the selection, I'm going to select both the car and my selection area with the selection tool. Before that, I'm going to make a copy of the car image. This is for the shadow purpose, which I will show you later on. Now, I'm going to select the image and the area I have selected using pen tool and make clipping mask on them. You can see that we have removed the white background of the car image. Now I'm going to bring the road background image and send it below the car layer and adjust the size and position to match both of the images. By adding the shadows, we can give a real look to the scene. For this, I'm going to make rough points around the shadows of the car image, which I have copied before by using pen tool. Select both of the layers and make clipping mask to them. Now place the shadows below the car image layer and adjust the position to merge both images. Make sure the car layer is placed on top of the shadow layer. Now, with the shadow layer selected, change the transparency into multiply. This will give a realistic look to the composition. By adjusting the size and position of the car, we can get a better result. Now the final step is to make the windows of the car transparent to the background, so that the car layer blend with the background layer much more real. To do that, I'm going to select all the windows area of the car using pen tool. Once I have selected the windows, I'm going to make compound path with all the selected windows area to make a single layer. Now, all the windows layers are merged together. Again, duplicating the background layer and make clipping mask with the windows layer. Reducing the opacity level to below 50%, it will gives more better result. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more graphic design tutorials.